Hey, it's Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to share a community post on YouTube. But before I start with the video, please subscribe to my channel, it helps me out a lot. Now, what you want to do is you want to open up your YouTube app, then you want to click on the bottom right on you, then you want to click on View Channel, and then I can go to Community and I click on this pen icon, and then I just click on this like post an update, and then I can write hello, how's everybody doing, and then I click on post, and that's pretty much it. The community post was uploaded, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe. If you're still having issues, let me know what is the problem and I'll do my best to help you out.